Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing something new and simple. Today we're going to be learning how to build these tiny little cars. Like if you've just finished a miniature Lego city, and you need some cars to go with it, I have 3 different sizes of cars. So let's get to building. Alright, level 1. The big sports car. So you'll want a 2x3 flat. Doesn't matter the color. I'm using green in this video. Then you'll want a clear chisel stud, just like this. And where did the green boy go? Okay, yeah. And you want to take up and put it on like that. And then you want to have 2 of those so you can put a second one on like that. Kind of looks like some shoes. Nike shoes. Okay, next thing, you'll want one of these. I don't know what they're called. 2x1 with a stud on top. You'll want that. Using camera guidance, because I can't really see behind the camera. Yeah, and you'll want to place it just behind the 2 glass pieces. And you will also want one of these clear grill window pieces. 2x1 your grill piece. You place it on just like that. So it's a mid-engine vehicle. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, mid-engine vehicle. So the engine's right here, and then there's a little trunk spot right there. And then you want another 1x2 flat. You should use black to resemble the tires. And there. Just like so. We have that. And that's the end of the sports car. Level 2. We got an RC car type of thing. It's a big one. And this one is a big downgrade in numbers of pieces and in just size as well. You're going to want a 1x2 flat, whatever color. I'm using gray. Then you're going to want a clear chisel piece. I'm using cyan clear. You just want to place it on just like the normal, just like the first one. And you got your pinky a pair of Nike shoes. And then for this one, it was kind of cool because I got another cyan chisel piece. And you just want to take it on like that, and there you go. You got a little car. This one does not have any wheels, because I don't really know if there are any wheels small enough to fit this. If there are, please tell me. Yeah, here's a good look at it. In the bottom, there's nothing. And it's time to go to the next level. Okay, next level. This one is really simple, only 2 pieces. What you're going to need is a clear little round stud, flat. You're going to want a 1x1 flat as well. You just put it on. Now this one's a smaller RC car. You just put it on like that. It's kind of like a light. You could put it on the sports car, and it's like an old-fashioned police car or something. Yeah, but that's all. If you guys have any suggestions for what I should build in another video, please tell me in the comments. I would like to see some suggestions. But yeah, that's all. Bye.